Hey everyone, welcome back. We want to put out a quick video today about our Furrion oven and stove in our brand new Brinkley RV. This is our third RV, so we're not brand new to this stuff, but it was extremely frustrating the first couple of times we tried using it, and we wanted to make sure that we put this out there for anybody else that might be running into the same situation.
Yeah, I cook and I bake all the time, so really used to working with RV ovens. Stove worked just fine, no problem, lit up right away. But when we tried to light the oven, it would just click, 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 and we would never get the pile of light on. So what we discovered after reading the manual over and over again and trying all of the tips and tricks that they suggested, what actually worked for us was when you turn the knob and you go over to the little flame that shows where you need to light it, instead of going all the way to the flame, just go slightly before the flame and then press it in. And as you're pressing it in, make sure that the pilot light pops on, and then give it, 10-15 seconds, and then slowly let off that like you're going to turn the knob, but make sure the flame stays going. And if it does, then go ahead and turn over to your temp.
Yep. If you let that flame die when you're trying to start it, it literally will take at least 5 minutes before you can try to relight the stove.
Yeah.
And that's what was so frustrating. We were trying to make dinner. We have 2 kids. Everyone was getting super hangry and cranky, and it has to reset before you can try to light the stove again. So hopefully you find that helpful. Somebody out there I'm sure will. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below.
Absolutely.
And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you out there.
Bye.